Alright, what's up guys? It's Alex. I'm back here with a video. This time we're going to do an unboxing video. It's going to be different. It's going to be good. I got two shoes for us today. What's today? Today's the 12th. It's about to be noon, so I'm about to go for the Pigeon and Crocs Dunk. But I just want to record this because it shouldn't take too long. It's only two shoes. Um, but yeah, I'm going to go for that. I already got one pair of those, but I'm going to try to get a second pair because why not? What am I doing next? Next. About to just show you the shoes, because why not? So the first one I got, as you know, 350s. We'll just release some zebras. Got a size 11 and a half. Got it from Adidas, confirmed. So I got this one. I got a 6 on the way from finish line, and I got an 8 and a half and a 9 and a half. So I got those two shoes. Oh, I got that one shoe. Then I got the second shoe. I still haven't even opened it yet, but I'm about to open it now. Ooh. I am excited for this one because this yacht is nice. So you get a sneak peek. Oh, maybe you'll see it. Oh, y'all might see what this is now. If you know, you know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, wrong way. 9 and a half. Union LA. Y'all know what shoe this is. Maybe y'all know the colorway. Let's see. Alright, first reaction. I like this. I like the paper. Love the paper. I love when shoes do this with paper. When Nike, mostly Nike because I don't really see Adidas doing it too often. But when Nike does that with the wrapping paper, it's a great little touch. As you can see, got the court purple colorway. Dang, I'm pretty excited to have these in my hand. I'm not gonna lie. These look better in person than I thought they would than on the online. Yeah, extra lace. I'm not gonna keep them though. I don't think I'm gonna keep them. Honestly, I think I'd rather sell them. But we'll see where it goes. They're my size. Wish I got the Agron, but beggars can't be choosers, and I'm more than happy with the one pair that I got. So I really just wanted to do the unboxing for the Union Dunk. I know y'all see the little symbol there, the tag, the UK UN. Let's see the flipping. That's the other side, front of the shoe. Y'all have already seen this shoe, but you know it's nice. It looks real nice. Got that white there. I want to see what it looks like underneath with this part ripped off, but I'm not gonna be on this pair. All right, y'all. Thank you for coming to the little unboxing that I wanted to do, mostly for this. But that's pretty much the end of the video. Both of those pairs are gonna go be for sale, most likely. Definitely gonna put the unions on Instagram today. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Shoot me a price. Let's work something out. In the meantime, you know, Hala Madrid, they play today. They play Chelsea. They're going to win. They're already winning 3-1. So they're going to go through. But other than that, good luck on the cops for the rest of the week. I'm glad you guys stopped by. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what I can work on. Have a great day.